Hello students, welcome to the Language Guru. My name is Sakshi Gupta. I am your German mentor, and today on the very first day of German language, I won't be speaking in German language to scare you people, but what if I tell you that you can after this class you can speak in German, you can introduce yourself very well in German. How about it? Yes, you will love it. I know. So yeah, let's just start. And in 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you will get the essence of German language, how beautiful this language is. So we are here to learn like that, and with patience and with your hard work, you can go beyond, make expertise in German language with magic tips and tricks which I'll give you throughout the process, not in just one class. Okay, so stay with me, and today you will, I promise you, you will introduce yourself in German language. And let's just start. So first of all, I am giving you my introduction in German language. So watch this video, you can come back and watch it again, and you will find it that you can now understand what I am speaking. Okay, so I am introducing myself in German language now. Yeah. Ich heiße Sakshi Gupta. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Delhi. Ich bin Lehrerin und mein Hobby ist Roman lesen. Dankeschön. So that was my introduction in German. It's a very short and precise introduction. And now I'll teach you how you can introduce yourself, not just by grabbing things, but by understanding what I'm speaking and what's the meaning, what's the logic behind it. So stay tuned till the end, you will love it. And now let's get to the screen. Okay, so now we are on the screen. Let's just start learning. So we will start by learning some words. Ich is I. Du is you. Informal. Er, he, es, it, sie, she. Wir, we, ihr, you, all, sie, they, and sie, you. It's a capital S, it's a small s, and here also small s. So there will be 3 Z, and how to differentiate what is she and what is they or what is you. It is a formal thing first of all. Yeah, so we will differentiate like in English we differentiate like he is and they are. So basically we are differentiating it with the conjugation of the verb. So we just learned that also. Sein is to be, or you can say ismr of English. In English there are 3 helping verbs for conjugation, but in German there is only one, sein, and according to the subject it will change. So let's just understand the conjugations of it. We have studied this part. Ich, du, er, sie. Now we'll just put it with the conjugation now. Ich bin, it's a conjugation of this sein. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie takes the same thing. Ist, wir sind, Ihr seid, sie sind. Okay, so according to the conjugation we will differentiate it. Let's revise this so that you will remember it. Repeat after me. Ich, du, er, es, sie, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Ich is I, du is you, er is he, es is it, sie is she, wir is we, ihr is you, sie is they, sie is you. And it is a formal you. And now the conjugation. Ich bin, that is I am. Du bist, that is you are. For example, in Hindi we say आप और तुम. तुम is a informal thing for you. कि तुमने खाना खाया या तुम क्या कर रहे हो. ठीक है, it's a informal. You in Hindi, just in the same way in German we have du in German as informal you. Er as sie is, he is, it is, she is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, sie sind. Ihr seid is you are. Again, when it is plural, when the teacher is referring to the whole class, like how are you, so he will or she will, you can use ihr or sie. But if you are talking informally, then you have to use the word du. When you are talking to your friend or your little brother sisters, you can use du. And lastly, sie sind, that is they are and you are. Got it? And now the main part, as I promised you that you will take it away from this class today. Now we are ready to jump into a little introduction. So let's just start. What is introduction first of all in German? That is Vorstellung. Introduction is Vorstellung. Vorstellung. It is not Vorstellung, it's Vorstellung. I'll tell you later on the sounds also. So let's just keep it this way. First, if I want to write I am Sakshi Gupta, so Ich bin Sakshi Gupta. Or if I want to say my name is Sakshi Gupta, so I will write mine is my, namo is name, ist we have studied, istis is in English. So my name is Sakshi Gupta. Got it? And Ich bin we have also studied. I am. Here you can see that this part. Coming back now, first of all you have to say your nationality, that where do you come from. So Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. India is Indian in German. So, ich wohne in Delhi. I live in Delhi. Now you will talk about your profession. What do? If you are a student, you can simply write ich bin student. I am student. So see, it is that simple to make a simple sentence in German language. I am a student if you are a male. Ich bin Studentin if you are a female. I'll tell you some of the profession. For example, I am a teacher. So, ich bin Lehrerin. Okay, now the point here is you don't have to put an article before the profession. For example, in English we said I am a teacher, but in German we don't put article before the profession. So I will say I am teacher. Okay, similarly we can say I am doctor, that is Arzt. I am engineer, engineer. Okay, all the female and the male version of all the professions are different. For example, if I write ich bin Lehrerin, so it's a female version, male version would be Lehrer. And Arzt is doctor, and female doctor would be, first of all we'll write this, male is Arzt, female is Ärztin. Third one in engineer, so engineer is a male person and engineerin is a female person, female engineer. You can also talk about languages. How many languages can you speak? For example, if I say ich spreche, I speak Hindi, English, und obviously we are talking in German, so und Deutsch. And lastly we can talk about our hobbies, and that is, for example, my hobby is to read novels and sometimes listen to music. So I will say meine Hobbys sind. Where this sind come from, if you remember this? This sind, that is R. So meine Hobbys sind Romane lesen und Musik hören. Okay, so Romana is novels, lesen is to read, music is music, and hören is to listen. Okay, so my hobbies are novels reading and music listening. In German, first you have to put the noun, then the verb. Okay, that's why it's like that. Okay, and lastly you will obviously say thank you. So Dankeschön. Dankeschön is thank you. Now we'll just lastly revise and you're ready to rock. Yes, ich bin Sakshi Gupta, or mein Name ist Sakshi Gupta. Ich komme aus Indien. That means I come from India. Ich wohne in Delhi. I live in Delhi. Ich bin Student or ich bin Studentin. Ich bin Lehrerin. If you have a profession like teacher, doctor, engineer. So ich bin Lehrer oder Lehrerin. That is the male version and that is the female version. Lehrer, Lehrerin, Arzt, Ärztin, Ingenieur, Ingenieurin. And next we can talk about obviously languages. That is, ich spreche Hindi, English und Deutsch. I speak Hindi, English and German. Lastly, Hobbys. Meine Hobbys sind Romane lesen und Musik hören. Dankeschön. Okay, so now I'm sure you're ready to rock your little introduction and flaunt your German skills. After all, you know German now. And stay tuned and you will know more of it in the coming videos. So make sure you like it and comment down below your introduction that you have just learned. And I hope you have a great time. Okay, so stay tuned for the next class. I hope to see you there. Till then, keep learning. Enjoy. Bye bye.